What's going on, guys? In today's video we'll be talking about spheres in three-dimensional space. Before we look into any of these examples, let's try and develop what the difference between a sphere and a circle is. In two-dimensional space, if you think about a circle, the equation that we come up for a circle is x squared plus y squared equals to r squared, where x and y are the center points of the circle and r is the radius. The only difference for a sphere would be we just add another dimension, which becomes x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals to r squared, where x, y and z are the center points and r is the radius. So just a little note to ourselves of the difference between a circle and a sphere. Let's get on to the example that we've been given. It says the following spheres have been given equations, and it tells us they intersect. Find A, C, the value of C, when they intersect, and B, the equation of circle at point of intersection. So we'll start with A over here. A. In order to find the value of C, we can use substitution by elimination, where we're going to eliminate a squared and b squared. In order to do that, we'll subtract this by this. So let's rewrite this. So we got a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus 8c plus 16 minus a squared minus b squared minus c squared equals to 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. A squared gone. B squared gone. C squared and c squared all gone. So we're left with minus 8c plus 16 equals to 16 minus 9, 7. Correct? Next step, minus 16 from both sides, minus 8c equals to 7 minus 16, which then gives me negative 9, I believe, yep, negative 9. C then equals to minus gone, 9 upon 8. Now that we've developed what we got for C, looking at B, it says find the equation of circle at point of intersection. So we're going to sub this into this equation right here, the first one. So let's do that. We get a squared plus b squared plus 9 squared 81 upon 8 squared is 64. So 81 upon 64 equals to 9 in this case. The next step would be we minus this from both sides, so we then get a squared plus b squared equals to 9 minus 81 upon 64. This then gives me 455 upon 64, which we can further simplify as 3 root 55, I believe, all upon, we're squaring both sides, top and bottom, sorry. So 3 root 55 upon 8 is what we get for a squared plus b squared. A squared plus b squared equals to this over here. So, since we've got the equation of the circle, let's quickly jot down the points, the center point and the radius. So we've got the radius as this, so therefore center point then becomes 0, 0 and the value of c, which is 9 upon 8, and then the radius equals to this over here, so 3 root 55 upon 8. So relatively straightforward question here for spheres. Hopefully it helps